Hi guys, welcome to today's episode from Happy KO. We're going to be doing an unboxing video of some tubes from Electro Harmonix. They are EL-34s. Thanks for watching. These are some EL-34 electron tubes from Electro Harmonix. God, they smell fucking awesome. It says Russia right on the side. So let's open one of these babies up. Oh shit, okay, so they have to be a matched pair, so you don't want to mess that up because they have things on them. See, these fancy numbers. That's how you know they're matched. That's a pretty dope looking tube right there. Look at that. Woo! You can put that in your car, go real fast. Cool, and that's it. Thanks for watching today's episode unboxing video. Like and subscribe.